Welcome to ClickFix Tech. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of your mouse not working in GTA Vice City. We'll go through two methods. So let's get started. First, exit the game if it's running. Method 1. Change compatibility settings. Now locate the GTA Vice City shortcut on your desktop, right-click on it, and select Properties in the Properties window. Go to the Compatibility tab. Here, check the box that says Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4. From the drop-down, select Windows 98/Windows Me. Once selected, click Apply and then OK. Now restart the game and check if your mouse is working. If not, don't worry, we have another method. Method 2. Permanently fix the mouse issue with a DLL file. To fix this issue permanently, we'll need to download a small DLL file. Open your preferred web browser and in the search box, type dinput8.dll download. Click on this official site from the search results. Once on the site, scroll down until you see the download button. Click on it, wait a few seconds, and the file will start downloading automatically. After the download is complete, you'll need to extract the dinput8.dll file from the .rar archive. To extract the RAR file, you'll need a program like WinRAR or 7-Zip. If you don't have one installed, you can also use Windows' built-in extraction feature. Right-click on the downloaded RAR file and select Extract Files, or Extract Here, depending on your preference. This will produce the dinput8.dll file. Now, copy the extracted dinput8.dll file. Next, find your GTA Vice City game directory. If you're not sure where it is, you can right-click on the game's shortcut and select Open File Location. Once you're in the correct directory, paste it by right-clicking and selecting Paste. Now, start the game again and check if the mouse works. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to ClickFix Tech. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.